Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Redbeat phone. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll all the way down and click on system. Now scroll down and click on reset options, and then click on erase all data factory reset. Then click on erase all data, and now you have to enter your PIN and click erase all data again. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.